Today I'm going to be doing the crimp and curl method on my short hair. We're going to start with the heat protectant. Now I'm going to crimp the entire bottom section with my flat iron. I used to swear by doing this with the flat iron, but I'm kind of getting bored of it, so I'm thinking that I want to get a waver. So if you have a favorite one, let me know what it is, because I'm in the market for one. For this top section, I'm going to alternate curls and waves. Next step, rake it all out. A little wave spray to add some separation. I'm definitely getting a waver. Looks so good. It's gonna be so much easier with that tool.